Time for a change. Embrace healthy distractions. Life is a whirlwind of constant activity. We constantly juggle responsibilities. It's so easy to feel overwhelmed. But what if we told you there's a secret weapon? Healthy distractions are the key to unlocking a happier, healthier you. These aren't your typical time wasters. We're talking about activities that nourish your mind, body, and soul. Ready to ditch the guilt and embrace the good? Let's dive into a world full of positive distractions.
The power of music. Tune into wellness. Did you know that music can actually reduce stress? It's true. Studies show that listening to calming tunes lowers cortisol levels, the stress hormone. So, crank up your favorite playlist and feel the tension melt away. But the benefits don't stop there. Music can also boost your mood, improve sleep, and even enhance cognitive function. Whether you're a classical music connoisseur or a pop music enthusiast, there's a genre out there for you. So go ahead, put on your dancing shoes and let the rhythm move you. Your mind and body will thank you for it. Gardening for growth. Nurturing your mind and body. Gardening is more than just a hobby, it's a therapeutic escape. It offers a sanctuary from the hustle and bustle of daily life, providing a peaceful retreat where you can unwind and reconnect with yourself. Imagine yourself surrounded by vibrant blooms and the earthy scent of freshly tilled soil. The colors and fragrances of the garden can uplift your spirits and bring a sense of calm and joy. Gardening allows you to connect with nature, reduce stress, and even get some exercise. The physical activity involved in planting, weeding, and harvesting can help keep you fit and healthy. Studies show that spending time in nature can lower blood pressure and improve mental clarity. The simple act of being outdoors, surrounded by greenery, can have profound effects on your mental and physical health. Plus, there's nothing quite like the satisfaction of harvesting your own fresh produce. Growing your own fruits and vegetables ensures that you have access to fresh, organic food right at your fingertips. So grab your gardening gloves and get your hands dirty. The tactile experience of working with soil and plants can be incredibly grounding and fulfilling. Plant some seeds, nurture your plants, and watch them flourish. Witnessing the growth and transformation of your garden can be a deeply rewarding experience. You'll be amazed at how this simple activity can transform your well-being. Gardening not only nurtures your body through physical activity and fresh produce, but also nurtures your mind by providing a sense of purpose and accomplishment. Artistic adventures unleash your inner creative. Remember the joy of coloring outside the lines as a child? That sense of freedom and creativity shouldn't fade with age. Engaging in artistic pursuits, whether it's painting, drawing, sculpting, or crafting, can do wonders for your mental health. Art provides an outlet for self-expression, allowing you to tap into your emotions and release stress. It's not about creating masterpieces, it's about the process of creation itself. So gather your art supplies and let your imagination run wild. You might be surprised at the hidden talents you uncover. Section 5. The joy of reading. Escape into literary worlds. In a world dominated by screens, there's something truly magical about getting lost in the pages of a good book. The tactile sensation of turning each page, the smell of the paper, and the quiet rustle as you flip through the chapters create an immersive experience that screens simply can't replicate. Reading is a wonderful way to relax, de-stress, and escape from the everyday hustle. It allows you to step into another world, live different lives, and experience adventures without leaving your home. The act of reading can slow down your heart rate and ease the tension in your muscles, making it an excellent way to unwind. Whether you prefer thrilling mysteries that keep you on the edge of your seat, heartwarming romances that make your heart flutter, or thought-provoking non-fiction that challenges your perspectives, there's definitely a book out there waiting to transport you. Each genre offers a unique escape, a different way to see the world, and new characters to meet. Reading can also improve your sleep, boost your vocabulary, and enhance your cognitive function. Studies have shown that reading before bed can help you fall asleep faster and enjoy a more restful sleep. Additionally, encountering new words and ideas in books can expand your vocabulary and stimulate your brain, keeping it active and engaged. So, why not find a cozy nook, brew a cup of tea, and let yourself be swept away by the power of storytelling? Create a little reading ritual for yourself, a special time each day to dive into a book and leave the world behind. The simple act of reading can bring immense joy and satisfaction. It's the perfect way to unwind after a long day. Whether it's a few minutes or a few hours, reading can provide a much-needed break from reality, offering solace and comfort. So pick up a book, lose yourself in its pages, and let the magic of reading transform your day. Section 6. Connecting with nature. Finding peace in the outdoors. Nature has an incredible ability to soothe our souls. The gentle rustling of leaves, the chirping of birds, and the calming sound of flowing water can transport us to a place of tranquility. In fact, studies have shown that spending time in nature can reduce stress, improve mood, and even boost creativity. The natural world offers a sanctuary from the hustle and bustle of daily life, providing a space where we can reflect and rejuvenate. Whether it's a walk in the park, a hike in the mountains, or a day at the beach, immersing yourself in nature is a powerful way to recharge and reconnect with yourself. Each step you take on a forest trail or each wave you watch crashing on the shore can bring a sense of peace and clarity. So, lace up your hiking boots, pack a picnic basket, and head out into the great outdoors. Gather your friends and family, or take some time for yourself to explore the beauty that surrounds us. Breathe in the fresh air, soak up the sunshine, and let nature work its magic on your mind, body, and spirit. Feel the grass beneath your feet, the warmth of the sun on your skin, and the gentle breeze that whispers through the trees. Whether you're meditating in a meadow, hiking up a mountain, or simply sitting by a lake, nature has a way of grounding us and reminding us of the simple joys in life. Embrace the outdoors and find your peace. Section 7. Culinary creativity, cooking up a storm of flavor and fun. Cooking is more than just a necessity. It's an art form, a sensory experience, and a wonderful way to de-stress. The act of chopping vegetables, stirring sauces, and experimenting with flavors can be incredibly therapeutic. Plus, there's nothing quite as rewarding as sitting down to a delicious meal you prepared yourself. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, there's always something new to learn and explore in the culinary world. So put on your apron, gather your ingredients, and let your creativity run wild in the kitchen. Section 8. The magic of movement, dance your way to happiness. Dance is a celebration of life. It's a way to express yourself, connect with your body, and release endorphins. Whether you prefer the grace of ballet, the energy of hip-hop, or the sensuality of salsa, there's a dance style out there for everyone. Dancing can improve your mood, reduce stress, and even boost your cognitive function. So put on some music, find some space to move, and let your body groove to the rhythm. It's an exhilarating and liberating way to nourish your mind, body, and soul. Section 9. The gift of giving, volunteering for a fulfilling life. Helping others is a powerful way to boost your own happiness. Volunteering allows you to make a difference in your community, connect with others, and gain a sense of purpose. Whether you're passionate about animal welfare, environmental conservation, or supporting those in need, there are countless ways to give back. Volunteering can reduce stress, increase feelings of gratitude, and even improve your physical health. So, find a cause that resonates with you and dedicate some time to making a difference. You'll be amazed at how rewarding it can be.
Section 10. Embrace your distractions, enrich your life. Life is too short to feel guilty about taking breaks and pursuing activities that bring us joy. Healthy distractions are not indulgences. They are essential ingredients for a balanced and fulfilling life. By incorporating these activities into our routines, we can reduce stress, improve our mental and physical well-being, and cultivate a greater sense of happiness. So, embrace your distractions, explore new passions, and discover the countless ways to unlock your time and enrich your life. And don't forget to share your experiences and inspire others to do the same. Section 11. The art of mindful breathing. In our fast-paced world, finding moments of calm can be challenging. Mindful breathing is a powerful tool to help us center ourselves and bring tranquility to our minds. By focusing on our breath, we can ground ourselves in the present moment, reducing anxiety and increasing our overall sense of well-being. To begin, find a quiet space where you can sit comfortably. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose, allowing your abdomen to expand. Hold for a moment, then slowly exhale through your mouth, letting go of any tension. Repeat this process, concentrating solely on the rhythm of your breath. Incorporating mindful breathing into your daily routine can lead to profound changes in your mental and physical health. It's a simple yet effective practice that invites peace into your life, one breath at a time. So take a moment now, breathe deeply, and embrace the calm within. Chapter 12. The Joy of Gardening. Gardening is a delightful way to connect with nature and nurture life. It offers a sense of accomplishment and a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Whether you have a sprawling backyard or a small balcony, gardening can be a therapeutic and rewarding hobby. Start by selecting a few plants that suit your space and climate. As you plant the seeds or seedlings, Feel the soil between your fingers and let the process ground you. Water your plants regularly and watch them grow, knowing that you are fostering life. The beauty of gardening lies in its simplicity and the joy it brings as you witness your plants flourish. So take a moment to step outside, get your hands dirty, and immerse yourself in the tranquil world of gardening. Embrace the joy it offers and let it enrich your life. Video 1, close-up of hands planting seeds in soil. Video 2, time-lapse of a garden blooming. Video 3, person watering plants with a gentle smile. Video 4, close-up of flowers swaying in the breeze. Video 5, person pruning a small plant. Video 6, close-up of a butterfly landing on a flower. Video 7, person harvesting vegetables from a garden. Video 8, a garden space with a variety of plants. Video 9, person enjoying a cup of tea in their garden. In Scene 13, let's dive into the exhilarating world of new hobbies. Trying out new activities can be a thrilling way to break free from the mundane and discover hidden talents. Whether it's learning a musical instrument, picking up a new language, or experimenting with different crafts, hobbies can add a new dimension to your life. They provide a creative outlet and a sense of achievement as you master new skills. So don't hesitate to explore new interests and passions. Embrace the excitement and joy that comes with discovering something new. Remember, the journey of learning is just as rewarding as the destination. Video 1, person strumming a guitar for the first time. Video 2, close-up of hands knitting a colorful scarf. Video 3, person painting on a canvas with vibrant colors. Video 4, time-lapse of someone learning a dance routine. Video 5, person practicing a new language on a language app. Video 6, close-up of hands assembling a model kit. Video 7, group of friends trying a new sport together. Music has the incredible power to transform our moods and uplift our spirits. Whether you're listening to your favorite tunes, attending a live concert, or even creating your own music, the positive effects are undeniable. Music can provide comfort during tough times, boost your energy, and even help you focus. It connects us to our emotions and to one another in a way that few other things can. So take some time to immerse yourself in the world of music. Let it be your companion, your motivator, and your source of joy. Embrace the rhythm, the melody, and the harmony that music brings into your life. Video 1, person putting on headphones and smiling. Video 2, close-up of a live concert audience swaying to the music. Video 3, someone playing the piano with passion. Video 4, person dancing freely in their living room. Video 5, close-up of a vinyl record spinning on a turntable. Video 6, group of friends singing karaoke together. Video 7, person composing music on a laptop. Video 8, a child joyfully playing a drum. In the hustle and bustle of daily life, finding a moment of peace can seem impossible. That's where the magic of meditation comes in. This ancient practice helps you center your mind and soul, offering a sanctuary from stress and anxiety. Just a few minutes a day can bring about profound changes in your mental and emotional well-being. Whether you choose guided meditations, mindfulness exercises, or simply sitting in silence, the benefits are immense. Meditation can enhance your focus, reduce stress, and promote a sense of calm and clarity. So, give yourself the gift of tranquility. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and let the magic of meditation transform your life. Journaling is a powerful tool for self-discovery and emotional clarity. By putting pen to paper, you create a safe space to explore your thoughts, emotions, and experiences. It's a form of therapy that helps you process complex feelings and gain insights into your inner world. Daily journaling can improve your mental health, boost your creativity, and even enhance your problem-solving skills. It allows you to track your progress, set goals, and reflect on your journey. Whether you write about your dreams, challenges, or everyday moments, journaling can be a transformative practice. So grab a notebook, find a quiet corner, and let your thoughts flow. Embrace the benefits of journaling and watch as it brings clarity and peace to your life. Crafting is a delightful way to express your creativity and unwind from the daily grind. Whether it's knitting, painting, or making DIY home decor, the act of creating something with your hands can be incredibly satisfying. Crafting allows you to immerse yourself in the process, losing track of time and finding joy in the details. It's a wonderful escape that not only produces beautiful handmade items, but also nurtures your mental well-being. So gather your supplies, let your imagination run wild, and dive into the world of crafting. Experience the joy and fulfillment that comes from making something uniquely your own. Traveling opens up a world of new experiences, cultures, and perspectives. It allows you to step out of your comfort zone and embrace the unknown. Whether you're exploring a bustling city, hiking through serene landscapes, or immersing yourself in local traditions, travel enriches your life in countless ways. It broadens your horizons, fosters personal growth, and creates unforgettable memories. So, pack your bags, embark on new adventures, and let the wonders of travel transform your life. Discover the beauty and diversity our world has to offer, and find inspiration in every